Let's make a unique one using the hot glue gun. We'll need 2 thin nails. Cut off the head of 1 nail. Apply a drop of hot glue to the plastic. Stick the nail head up. Squeeze another glue drop. Attach the headless nail upright. They look like 2 halves of the same nail. Apply a little red nail polish to the plastic. Dip in the hardened glue. Both parts are ready. Attach them to the opposite side of your finger to prank your friends. Now that's enough horror for today. Let's make something beautiful for a change. Let's use our favorite decoration tool to transform a plain glass bottle into a stylish vase. Apply even rows of hot glue around the bottle. Start from the bottom. The job will take some time and patience. Your hand may shake a little at the beginning. As a result, your first rows may not be as level as you wish. The further you go, the better. Your rows become neat with equal intervals between. And finally, you'll make perfect rows on the neck. The base is ready. Oh, it seems we've got a little problem. The glue threads have wrapped around the bottle like a spider web. Adhesive tape will help. Attach the wide tape and take it off. Paint the bottle. Start with the bottom again. Choose a darker shade. We've taken hot pink. Continue with a light tint. We've mixed it with white. Paint on top of the previous coat to make a smooth transition of colors. Thus, we'll create an ombre effect. Add orange. Don't clean the brush, we want to mix the shades. Continue with bright yellow. Paint on top of orange to make a vague color transition. Finish it with a pure yellow color. Cover the neck with the lightest tint. Mix yellow and white. We've managed to transform the clear blank bottle into the stunning textured vase of rainbow colors. It can become a centerpiece in your interior room design. What's wrong with my scrapbook scissors? The upper blade top has torn off. It's a pity. I'll have to buy new shears. Don't rush to a store. A hot glue gun will help. Hot glue the top of the blade. Perfect! You don't have to buy a new pair as your decorative scissors will serve for a long time. What else can we do with a clear jar? We've tried a lot of ideas. This time, we'll turn it into a gift package using the hot glue gun. Attach a wide purple ribbon. Take 2 pieces for a bow. Make it easy using the hot glue. Cover the ribbon seam with the bow. Hot glue a pom-pom ribbon under the top. Make delicate paper roses from pastel color squares. Round the corners. Cut out a spiral. Hot glue the end. Roll a rosebud. Make 3 flowers. Embellish the top. Tie a bow from thin pale pink ribbon. Hot glue next to the roses. Add a tag. Put pearl beads in the flowers. They look like droplets of morning dew on the delicate petals. Place a miniature butterfly on the pink rose. Wow! Is it that clear jar? You can put any gift in this gorgeous package to make it unforgettable. The materials are simple. Make a cool surprise for your friends. Choose the hot glue life hack you liked the most. Create beauty with us. Make a cute interior decoration or a sparkly accessory. Get ready for a horror-themed party. Write in your comments what life hack you have chosen. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and ring the bell. Watch a new video when it chimes.